Hi guys, it's me Crack Hub here, and today I'm going to teach you how to crack Vidiq Pro version. Vidiq Pro version uncovers the secrets of every YouTube videos so that you can open a YouTube channel and make its keywords everything great. So let's move on to our crack. Just you need to first go to more tools and extensions. Click on extension and now get more extensions. Just get the original version from the extensions store. You can search Vidiq and add to Chrome. Just wait for it. Yes, it has been installed. I want to check it, so I'm going to YouTube. When I search for football, you can see the keywords, two keywords. But in order to see more, you need a pro version. So upgrade now it is saying, and here you can see basic. So let's start. Just copy the link in the description and paste it like this, and just download it from there. Now you are okay, and Vidiq Pro crack, here it is. So extract here, and you can see this is the main file we need. You can check the readme file too. Just open the Chrome browser again. I shouldn't have closed that. More tools, extensions. Either you can just enable the developer mode, either you can drag this, or you can go load the unpacked extension. I will load unpacked extension. You can see here, uncover the secrets to success behind your favorite videos. ID, that's whatever. Just load. When I load, this will be changed to look desktop 2.56 point. Now let's check if it works or not. YouTube and search again for football. Now here is the tag for the first video, second video, and we have got the third video and fourth. Every video has got now keywords. So you can see here also enterprise version already. So now you can look every competitor's trend alerts must viewed. I need to auth it, you need to auth it, and you can work on it. So thank you guys, it has been cracked, and it's my first video. There are many mistakes, but please like and subscribe and help to grow our channel. Thank you.